Today we are going to look at how to update data or how to fill blank cells. In this data you will see in column C I have few blanks, and in column O as well I have few blanks. The common methodology is to apply a filter and then choose the blank to update the missing values or a common text. If it is one column, we will be able to do it. However, we are going to look at an alternative where we could update a same text to multiple columns or more than one column. I'm going to select the entire column C, press the control key and then select column O and press F5. You will see a pop-up window and choose special and then blanks. If you notice, the blanks are being selected and you could see a gray cell, which means it's being selected and all the blanks are being selected. Now for our reference, I'm going to color all the blanks to a yellow color, and I'm going to say not disclosed. And the moment I press Ctrl and Enter, this text not disclosed will be updated in all the cells that's being selected, or all the blank cells will be filled. Let's look at it. We could see that column C is being updated with not disclosed, and column O is also being updated with not disclosed. If you have any questions, please drop a note.